Welcome back to my channel, Simply Family. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having an amazing day. Hope you're having an amazing week as well. Thank you all so much for your likes. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a box that I received by Influencer. All right, in this box I have what is called this product is by Goop Beauty. That's the name of the company. You can see Goopgenes. That's what they wrote at the front, and inside here I have I believe I've not opened it. Okay, they wrote all-in-one formula designed to address 5 signs of skin health to keep it nourished, smooth, even toned, firm and glowing. That sounds so amazing. All right, so I've had this box in for a while, but I started to work on it today. I don't know when I'm going to be publishing it, but you are going to see the unboxing. But I just want to let you guys know, because I'm on the journey with Rihanna skincare right now, I'm not going to mix this one with it. But the only thing I'll be using from this, I believe this comes with an eye cream, because I read it on Influencer site when they send it to me. So I read what was in the box. So now I'm going to be unboxing for you guys to see. So like I said, I'm not going to be using this with the skincare that from Fenty Beauty, all right? No, but I'm going to be using the eye cream that comes with it. When I'm done with my final thoughts with the Fenty skincare, then I will go ahead and start using this one and see how I like the cream, you know, inside of it. Anyway, let's go ahead. Before we continue, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe, and please do turn on the notification post so as to get notified whenever I upload. So without wasting much of your time, guys, let's jump right into this video. This is it right here. You see the influencer name already, and it's by Goop Beauty. So right there, inside of it, like I said, I read on the website when Influencer sent me the message that they're sending something my way. I went ahead and read about it, and of course I was right. It comes with eye cream. I'll be using this with my Fenty cream, since the Fenty airline doesn't have eye cream, right? So I'm going to be trying this and let you guys know if it's helping with dark circle. I don't really have that prominent dark under eye circle, but I do have a little right there. I will see if it's going to help me to lighten it up, then I will let you guys know more about it, definitely. Okay, so this is the eye cream. It says all-in-one nourishing eye cream with some, you know, ceramide is inside, Arjuna, I cannot pronounce the other one. It says like Chai Sandra, okay, Chai Sandra, Arjuna and ceramide. I will put all these things on the description box, I mean on the screen, for you guys to know the right spelling, so you can be able to get the right pronunciation as well. Okay, you know, that's how I roll. If I can't pronounce it, I will call it my way, then I will still put it on the screen for you guys to be able to see the right spelling. Okay, all right, so this is 15 ml 0.5 fluid ounces eye cream. Okay, let's see what this is. I mean, it's basically what I said. I don't want to prolong the matter, so let me open it for you guys to see how it looks inside. So this is the eye cream. Okay, of course they put the direction on how to use it. Apply morning and evening to clean skin using ring finger. Dab cream gently onto the skin beneath and around eye. Okay, under and around, guess. Yeah, that's what they wrote on it. So that's basically it, and this is how this is looking. When I look at that side, I'm making sure my monitor is recording. Okay, my camera is recording, because sometimes this camera will stop and that will be it. I have to start all over again. Okay, so this is how this is looking. All right, this is it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open the cream for you guys. It came with this. Okay, every time there are 2 new luxurious clinical proven clean super cream. Leave your skin nourished, smooth, firm, even toned, glowing and ultra moisturized. That's what they wrote at the back, and you know, that's about it. And they wrote about the cream. It's plant-based product that they use, ceramide and some other words I cannot even pronounce, and 7 highly active botanicals botanicals, including then they name the fruits that they use. Okay, so that's about it. And it says it will work like you, it will ultra moisturize your skin for 48 hours. And the amazing thing about it is said fragrance free. I know a lot of people want creams that are fragrance free. I don't have problem with fragrance product that are included with perfume, because I use Estee Lauder products and they have perfume inside of it, and I don't break out from it. So because I know the fragrance is the reason why most of the people that have sensitive skin do break out, but I don't want it to be too strong though. All right, but this has no, is fragrance free. Okay, so I'm going to test that part for you guys right now for you to see, but I'm not going to be using this cream until I'm done with my final thoughts about Fenty skincare. All right, so this is how this is looking. Okay, all-in-one nourishing face cream with all those plant-based ingredients that they use, and they said it moisturizes, ultra moisturized 48 hours. Okay, so I'll go ahead and open it, and this is how this is looking. So this is 50 ml, 1.7 fluid ounces. I don't know how much they go for, but I will research the prices and put them on the screen for you guys to know. So this is how this is looking, and at the back of it they put the direction as usual. They said apply morning and evening to clean dry face, neck and décolleté. All right, this part of our body, it's what is referred to as décolleté. Okay, this place kind of, it can sell you out easily if you're old or young, just like the back of our hands and the back of our feet can easily sell you out, that people can actually guess if you're old or you're very young. Your face might be young, but this place, I tell you, if you don't take care of it, can easily sell you out. So some cream, they do recommend that you blend your, you know, this cream from your face to your neck to your décolleté, which is this part of your body. All right, so please do that according to their recommendation if you ever lay your hands on this product. But make sure you always read your skincare, because some of them will tell you to blend it up onto this side. Okay, because if you don't, you go check it out, sometimes you end up seeing how this place is going to become wrinkle, that the wrinkle, they squeeze up together like this, and you will see what I'm talking about, like it squeeze up. So this recommend that you blend it, you know, your face, your neck and your décolleté. Okay, and this is 50 ml / 1.7 fluid ounces. I'll go ahead and open it. Okay, I already opened up the cover. All right, and this is how it came in, you know, after you open the cover. Okay, so you know, they claim they use plant-based ingredients. All right, so I'm going to test that for you right now to see how it does smell, if it has that plant-based effect in it. Look at this, this is how it looks, and I will show it. So I'm not going to be using this cream now because I'm on the journey with the Fenty Beauty. I'm just trying to repeat this so you all wouldn't be confused that how many stuff is Simplydemi using at the same time. I'm not combining this with my Fenty final review that I'll be bringing for you guys. I'm only going to be using the eye cream that came with it. This I'm going to set aside until I'm done with my final review with Fenty Beauty. Then I will try it and let you guys know what I feel about this. Okay, so let me try, and oh, the consistency is not bad. So I'll put it at the back of my hands. They said it's supposed to, you know, ultra moisturize for 24 hours. So let me show you guys how. I can't really smell any, you know, plant-based. I can't smell any plants. It doesn't really have, like they said, it's fragrance free. It doesn't have, but there's an hint of a little bit of smell. I can't really place my mind or my heart or my mind on it, honestly. Just a little bit, just very tiny. That is moisturized, but I cannot tell you if it's going to do the 48 hours ultra moisturized that they said, but we'll see when I use it later. So this is all about this one. Okay, I just wanted to unbox it and to let you guys know about this company. Okay, Goop Beauty. All right, I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. By the grace of God, I will surely come back to let you know my final thought about this product.
I don't see any Chromecast or cast enabled TVs linked to your account. You can add devices.
Okay, Google, stop. I wasn't talking to you. So guys, I'm gonna come back, okay, to let you know. That's Google just pick up my voice. I don't know, maybe I call something that sounds like that. You know how our accent can easily deceive them. Okay, anyway, so I'm gonna come back, guys. I'll come back to the camera to let you guys know. First of all, you're gonna be hearing more about the eye cream because I'm gonna be using that while I use my fancy skincare line, since I have no eye cream with that. Okay, so that will be an opportunity for me to try this, but the moisturizer, I'll be trying that separately and I'll give you guys my final thoughts. All right, thank you all so much for watching. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please do consider to subscribe and do turn on notification post so as to get notified whenever I upload. Thank you all so much. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.